Okay, been asked to show you guys how to get to Screencastify. It's going to be a little bit difficult because I already have it, but I think that I can walk through the steps of how to do it. And I'm looking for, where are my little buttons? Okay, so if you type in, don't look at all my Google things. Google search, make sure you get Screencastify, the #1 screen recorder for Chrome, because this is for your Chromebook. And then if you click that, mine's already installed, so it's going to look different, but what you're going to get is this install. So click to add it to Chrome, and then you will, because mine's already installed, go up to this little puzzle piece that you see up here. These are all your extensions. Now, depending on how many extensions you have, you might already have it in your toolbar right here, but you see I have a lot of extensions. But what you're going to do is either you're going to have it up here or in this, and you're looking for this little arrow. And I'm recording, so it's clicking. So you click that, and I don't know what's going to happen if I click it. I'll try. And I think it's just going to tell me I'm already being recorded. So this will be the hard part. So you click that, and then you'll have to set it up. So it's going to ask you to, if it can enable your, I think the first one is a camera, say yes. And then it's going to ask you if it can do your microphone, and then say yes. And then you will go through all that motion. You'll get Screencastify. And then you have to go back and click that again, and you'll get this little thing. So what I'm doing right now is my desktop. When you see all the leaves and all that, I click this for the desktop and then hit record. What you're going to want to do is the webcam. And when you get this webcam, then that records you as you're talking. So then when you get finished and you record, then you go to your recordings, and then you'll see, good grief, look at all this that Mrs. Norris has done this year, all these recordings. But then you can open, and let me try, then you can open it, and then this is when you can use the editor. And you're click this use in editor, open that up, and then this will be where you can add stuff. Like you can add the text, you can add, so see, I can add the text here. It'll be write something. I get all this different stuff I can do. Somehow there is a way to add other things like pictures and things, but I'm not really sure about that. So hopefully that helps. It's very simple. Again, if I can do it, anybody should be able to do it. And the way that you end is what you guys saw when I clicked Screencastify again, this little arrow. It's going to say, you're already being recorded. And then what I'm going to do is hit stop. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if it doesn't. Google is your friend, because this is a Google product. So Google, how do I use Screencastify? You'll get all kinds of stuff, but that should help you. Again, you're looking for that little arrow thing. You see how it's up there now? You probably will have yours pop up there because you don't probably have as many extensions as I do. So that's what you're looking for, is that little arrow. All right. Let me know if you need anything else. Happy Wednesday. Oh, and don't forget to take your quizzes.